So it's about 5:15. The mosquitoes are out at full force. Mandy's still sleeping up there, but I couldn't sleep very well. So I'm off to get us breakfast. I'm gonna find some fruit in town. So I can see what was keeping us up all last night. It's like a full force music festival over here. They're cleaning up the stage and the lights right now. That's always a reassuring noise to hear when you walk by the electricity boxes. So this morning's breakfast is just a mango and a pineapple shake, and then 2 microwave meals from the 7-Eleven. Wasn't a whole lot open yet this morning. So I brought Mandy that food this morning in the smoothies, and my clumsy self spilt her mango smoothie all over her bed. So I very apologetically took it to the people working here and gave them some money and apologized. And now we got a nice new sheet. I think they ran out of the actual one, so they got us a new cute one. So we just got rid of a big fat stack of cash and paid for a class, and we've already got homework. Like, what is this? We pay you money and you give us homework.
I have homework because it's been 2 years since I dove and they won't let me in the water. I signed up for a dive and they're like, how long has it been? I'm like, oh, a little while. They're like, you're not going in the water. So I have to do a little homework, take a little refresher course today, hopefully, and then tomorrow, hopefully I can get in the water.
So Mandy's out diving right now. She's actually really nervous because this is like the first dive she's done in 3 years. So she's doing a little refresher, but it seemed kind of strict, so she's really nervous. I'm about to go to my orientation for class, which is going to start tomorrow. But it's nice because it's low season right now, so there's not very many people, but they're doing construction because of that. So we get the joys of hearing construction all day long. But hopefully we'll spend most of the time down at the beach and not as much time up here with the cashew trees.
You can smile because it's your...
So Mandy's boat just got back, but I can't find her anywhere. I'm a little nervous because they kind of put her on the spot and they're testing her to do some emergency stuff that she got trained on years ago. So I really hope she did well, but I'm trying to find her right now. So how was your first dives?
Dives went awesome. I was super nervous. I thought, oh, it's been so long. But it's just like riding a bike. Oh, it was so fun.
So how many jellyfish bites did you get?
I don't know if they're like jellyfish, but it was like for a minute it was a constant like ding 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 like on my legs and my arms, like anything that wasn't covered by wetsuit was stinging, and I was like, oh boy, oh puppy.
So how's your first day?
So good.
You like this island?
I love Koh Tao. I love Thailand. Let's move here, Eli.
Sounds good to me. You can tell Mandy already got pretty sunburnt.
Ouch.
Nice tan lines, Mandy. I guess burn lines.
They're terrible. They're not even like the same. So yeah, I had to piggyback on a dive today and they were doing a training. And one of the training things they had to do was navigation. So I had to just kind of wait for them to get it done. So I'm sitting there in the bottom of the ocean, just waiting, and all of a sudden a parrotfish comes at me and he's like circling me and he's getting closer and closer. And so I kind of just reach out to touch him just to be funny, but he like didn't move. And so I was like, oh my heck. And then they have like gnarly little teeth looking things. And so I thought he was gonna bite me, so I had to get up and I smacked him with my fin, and finally he left.
That's
he
mean.
was huge. It's not mean.
So our light bulb is on its last limb. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yes! Let there be light.
Woo! Third time's the charm.
The pressure is twice the surface pressure, so half the air volume remains and the density doubles.
I'm watching this video.
The same